Well, I'm just finishing a nice morning on Melon Lake. It's just north of Kingston. Don't know anything about it. It's half its crown land, so I thought I'd check it out. There's some campsites, so I'll probably come back here. Some cottages on this end. It's between Bon Echo and Kingston. Anyway, and I'm near the road here, so if you hear the road. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you 3 main strokes. I've shown these before in old videos, but a lot of people are asking me now, especially because I'm doing these workshops, canoe workshops, and just go over them again. So to steer your canoe, so if you actually go and paddle your canoe forward with just a forward stroke like this, yeah, it'll go forward, but then if I'm on the left side, it will start going right. So yeah, you don't want that. So there's a few ways to maneuver that, to figure things out, to make it better. So one is, I used to call the gooni stroke. Well, I still call it a gooni stroke. I don't know if people call it a gooni stroke anymore. But yeah, but why it's called the gooni is goonies use it. It's actually not efficient at all. It works to steer the canoe, but I'll show you why it's not efficient. So yeah, sorry about the road here. I should have done this something like. Anyway, yeah, you go forward, and then you push the blade outwards, but like a rudder. So like this, and rudder out. And here's the thing, my thumb is up. My thumb on the top of the paddle is up. You know when you're doing the gooni, when your thumb is up. Why it's not efficient? It's because every time I go like this and then out, I break the canoe. I go forward, break, forward, break. It actually brings the canoe back in line, but it breaks the canoe and slows your speed. Makes no sense, right? So better stroke is called the J stroke. And how you know you're doing the J proper is because you go like this, and then the thumb goes down, paddle goes out. So still like a rudder stroke, thumb down. But see how fluid that is? No breaking of the canoe whatsoever. Okay, beautiful stride, beautiful stride. The other is called the Canadian stroke. You know, I'm going under the highway now. This is wilderness. Oh, here we go. Oh, they're waving at me. Oh, there's canoeists. Oh, hello, hello. Anyway, so this is called the Canadian stroke. It is an extended J stroke. And all that really means is you go forward, do the J, but keep the blade in the water longer, run along the gunnel, and then about halfway up, you take the blade out. Like this, like that, and out. It's the J, it's just an extended J. Why it's called the Canadian stroke? Actually, Americans called us the Canadian stroke because, well, we canoe longer canoe trips. And if you keep doing the J or the gooni, after a while, your wrists are going to be really sore. So, yeah, use the gunnel. Keep the blade in the water longer. Oh, hello. Keep the blade in the water longer, and it's very efficient on a long canoe trip. Let me get through this beaver place here first, and then to the highway bridge, and the graffiti under the highway bridge. Wilderness! Wilderness! It actually was. I go back to Melon Lake. It's quite nice, actually. Got to go to the very far end, though, where there's no cottages, and there's crown land campsites. I've said too much. It's kind of nice to do. You look cool, especially when there's trucks and cars passing on the highway. But yeah, anyway, I'm done. I'm at the access point now. Okay, oh, you got